In order to add or subtract algebraic fractions, I must have a common denominator. Here I should note that the denominator of the first fraction can be factorised, as it is in fact the difference of two squares, as I have a squared term subtract a squared term. Hence I'm going to rewrite the first fraction as 7x on the top, and on the bottom I'm going to have x plus 5, in brackets multiplied by x minus 5. For the second fraction I'm going to leave alone for a second. I'm just going to write that as 2, and in single brackets x plus 5. We know in order to add fractions, we must have a common denominator. Well, both fractions currently have x plus 5 on the denominator, whereas our first fraction denominator is also being multiplied by x minus 5. Therefore, to get both fractions the same denominator, I'd have to multiply the top and the bottom of the second fraction by x minus 5. Now that I've got a common denominator of x plus 5 times x minus 5, I can write that once. So I'm going to write on the denominator x plus 5, and in brackets multiplied by x minus 5. And I'm literally just going to expand out the single brackets on the top. So here I've got 7x in the first fraction. I'm going to leave that alone for a second. I'm going to expand the single bracket on the right. So I have plus 2 times x, which will give us plus 2x, and 2 times negative 5, which will give us negative 10. Collecting like terms, on the top I've got 7x, add 2x, which simplifies to give us 9x, and I've still got negative 10. And on the denominator, I've got x plus 5 multiplied by x minus 5, which I know if I expand the brackets would give me back to x squared minus 25. So my final answer is 9x minus 10 over x squared minus 25.